The search of the KUAM newsroom last week has attracted national attention as a case that involves First Amendment freedom of the press issues. And that's the case that KUAM's attorney Arthur Clark made before Superior Court Judge Vern Perez this afternoon. Quash the warrant that authorized the search and give back the document seized by police.
Your Honor, this is a case that has constitutional significance and national magnitude, Your Honor. What we have in this particular instance is a violation of the First Amendment rights of KUAM as a news organization. By violating the rights of KUAM, Your Honor, that's obviously a violation of the First Amendment rights of all the...
The attorney for the Guam Police Department, James Mitchell, disagreed.
I would oppose that, Your Honor, because knowing that that warrant is going to be returned, there's no exigent circumstance to even address the warrant or the motion to quash.
Judge Perez decided not to entertain the motion to quash the warrant because the warrant was returned today, but he did order the document seized from KUAM turned over to him.
The warrant will cease to be operative today upon the return, because then KUAM's fears of another entry via the warrant are ended, because it won't be able to be utilized any further. The idea of them being in possession, well, I'm going to order that the original be in the possession of the court.
The document seized from the KUAM newsroom is purportedly from the personnel files of police trainee John Edwards, and according to KUAM's report, it reveals that Edwards failed his polygraph. Mitchell admitted that the document is being analyzed by the police forensics labs. He did not say what for, but presumably police are looking for fingerprints of the person who leaked the document.
As we speak, it's been analyzed by our forensic science lab. And that's why I say we'll be happy to give them a copy, but not give the document itself, because it's evidence in a crime. And it needs to be analyzed.
So we see this search warrant as a way to basically circumvent the shield law, get to the document so that they can get to the source of the KUAM story. So I think that Mr. Mitchell has actually highlighted, if anything else, the concern we had about GPD continuing possession as long as they're conducting an analysis of this document, which our argument is they were never lawfully entitled to have in the first place.
The court ordered GPD to retrieve the original document from the crime lab and turn it over to the court, and a copy provided to KUAM. A hearing on whether the search and seizure was right or wrong in the first place will be held at a later date, and no date has been set yet. Kevin Kerrigan, PNC News.